Water, the source of all life, the precious treasure that God bestows on us. Hygienic pipeline is the key of water transportation. The quality of drinking water is the key of our health. Yanglu and Jicai, the leading manufacturer, serviced for millions of families. We produce various types of stainless steel water pipes, sanitary pipes, heat exchange tubes, and stainless steel fittings, etc. We are located in the famous production base, Foshan, over 50,000 square meters. We have multiple automated workshops with multiple automation machines, over 600 workers. With 10,000 metric tons per year, products are sold all over the world. Since we started, we adhere to do every pipe with devotion and heart, has become one of the excellent quality model company. Basic production equipment is so important. We imported first-class machines and German professional pipe-making technology. We have done countless experiments in the procedure to ensure product stability. In raw materials, production and packaging, strict quality control procedure was set up and supervised by professional technicians. We tried to meet the top quality, tried to achieve zero defects, make customers buy with confidence, use with satisfaction. We have advanced automatic precision machine as internal weld leveling machine, online heat treatment system, internal polishing machine, surface coating machine, 3D laser cutting machine, swelling forming machine, double-sided argon gas welding devices, etc. Every product is tested for air tightness and eddy current inspection. Cleaned by high-frequency ultrasonic and drying after removing grease make it complete clean. Also, OEM and ODM are well acceptable. Every step has been carefully tempered. Outstanding quality is guaranteed. Our main products include stainless steel water pipe fitting, stainless steel water separator, heat exchanger tube, precision stainless steel pipes, various pipes for auto, sanitary pipes, etc. Our products are meet green standard. The material is eco-friendly and the life is over 80 years. The fitting slot is patent technology with super high reliability. It's simple operation, easy to carry, accurate and reliable, wide range of application. With the pursuit of higher, new and stronger goal, we attach great importance to product quality control, whatever the product, the new technology, or the test and experiment. We strictly and fully follow every step in the process. We have certificates as ISO Quality Management System, and we passed the test of GQI and Guangdong CDC. With years of forging ahead, our products are widely used in domestic and foreign major waterworks and municipal buildings, including domestic water system, direct drinking system, solar energy, gas heating, and so on. Also including public facilities, commercial buildings, residential real estate, etc. We try to collect talents from all over the world to create healthy water pipes and make customers buy with confidence, use with satisfaction. This is not only a business, but also a culture. Let's work together and create a brighter future together.